So in year 2 we have read a lot. We've read some fiction, okay, so fiction is stories, it's made up, it's not real. We've read some non-fiction, so non-fiction's the opposite, okay, it's facts, it's information. But we've also looked at some poetry, and it's poetry that we're going to be looking at this week. So what is poetry? Well, first of all, let's talk about the things that we expect to see in a poem. You can expect to see lines and verses, like in a song, okay? So it doesn't look like a normal piece of writing that's put in paragraphs. You have different lines, and those lines are grouped in verses sometimes, just like in a song. It also, like a song, has a rhythm. It can have quite a fast rhythm, or it can have quite a slow rhythm. And often, poems rhyme, okay? So at the end of a line, you'll find a word that rhymes with the end of the next line, or there are different rhyming schemes as well. In case you've forgotten, rhyming is when the sound at the end of the word is the same, okay? Like cat and hat both have at the end, okay? So these are things that you can expect to see in poems. Now, when you're reading books at home, whether it's fiction or non-fiction, often you might begin to read them in your head, okay? And they're just for you to kind of enjoy on your own. However, some poems are written to be performed. That means to be read out loud, with a thought on rhythm, with focus on how you express yourself. So, I've sent you this week a whole bunch of poems that were written to be performed, that were written to be read out loud. And your job is to potentially learn one of them and then to have a go at performing it, okay? Think about actions. Think about what you're doing with your voice, with your expression. And I would love to see some videos of you performing some of these poems. So have fun and enjoy Performance Poetry Week.